Do you need to weld large-scale components? Do you have huge, bulky parts and need uncompromising millimeter-level precision? Here is an 8-axis cell featuring a KUKA KR210 arm with a 3.1-meter reach, all managed by a KRC4 controller. It is on a 10-meter linear track, a KL2000, paired with a servo-controlled head and tailstock positioner. This setup expands the workspace while maintaining high rigidity, repeatability, and of course, top-notch quality. So if you work with large structures and want to optimize your production, message me. Don't hesitate to reach out, as I am sure I can find the right solutions for your project right here in our facility.